Hi friends, I am Prakash Chandra Padhi. In this video, we will discuss about a best swing trading strategy. This trading strategy is suitable for those people who don't have much time to watch the stock market. There will be a maximum holding period of a few weeks to a few months. What happens in this strategy? Once you buy the stock and you don't have to watch it again and again, you can check your portfolio whenever you get time. This trading strategy is good and safe too. Before discussing this strategy, if someone new in our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell icon, like the video, comment below and share this video to your friends as much as possible because other people can also benefit from this video. Let us discuss what is the strategy. Swing means equivalent to snake speeds. Like a snake goes through up and down. Similarly, the stock market also goes up and down. What we have to do in this strategy? We have to buy the stock in down and sell on top. This is to sell in resistance and buy in support. We will use weekly time frame in the chart. I will also give a real stock example. Friends, like the video, I am making this video for you only. Friends, look at this chart. We will not use any indicator in this chart. This is the complete price action strategy. We only use candlestick chart and identify the chart pattern. I only believe price action because the price can never be wrong. First, we have to identify trends of the stock which we are going to buy. In any chart, we will get to see three types of trends. First is uptrend, second is downtrend, and third is sideways trends. In uptrends, market goes up. In downtrends, market goes down. And in sideways trend, market do not go anywhere. As far as it goes up, it comes down. In uptrends, market makes higher high and higher low. Ultimately, market goes up. In downtrends, market makes lower low and lower high. Ultimately, market comes down. In uptrend, we should find buy opportunity. In downtrends, we should find sell opportunity. In uptrend, we should buy in support area, and in downtrends, we should sell in resistance area. Friends, if we go against the market, then we have to bear the loss. Kite should be flown in the direction of the wind, not in the opposite direction. Friends, look at this chart. This chart is HDFC live chart. And this is the weekly time frame. Stock is now in sideways trends and also near support area. There is a tremendous opportunity to buy this stock, but stop loss should be below the support area. Current price of the stock is 532 around. Friends, stay connected to this channel and keep watching our new videos. Bye bye.